What if reality is not smooth? When you move your hand, it feels continuous. When time passes, it flows. When light travels, it seems seamless. But physics suggests something unsettling. At the deepest level of nature, smoothness may not exist. There is a scale in physics called the Planck length, about 10^3 meters. Below this scale, our current understanding of space breaks down. Not because we lack better microscopes, but because space itself may stop behaving like a continuous fabric. Some theories propose that space is quantized, not infinitely divisible, not endlessly smooth, but built from tiny, discrete units. Loop quantum gravity suggests that space is woven from microscopic loops. In this picture, area and volume come in minimum sizes. You cannot divide them forever. There is a smallest possible piece. If that is true, then motion is not perfectly fluid. It would be more like stepping across a grid, frame by frame, at an unimaginable speed. And time might behave the same way. There may be a smallest possible moment, the Planck time, about 10^3 seconds. Below that, the concept of before and after may lose meaning. If both space and time have minimum units, then reality is not continuous. It is granular. We just cannot see the grains. Our equations assume smooth curves. Calculus depends on infinite divisibility. But what if that smoothness is only an approximation that works at large scales? Like a digital image that appears fluid until you zoom in far enough to see the pixels. Quantum theory already challenges continuity. Particles do not occupy precise positions until measured. They exist as probabilities, as information. Black hole physics suggests information cannot be destroyed. The holographic principle proposes that everything inside a region of space could be encoded on its surface. These ideas hint at something radical. Reality may not be made of matter in the traditional sense. It may be built from fundamental bits of geometry and information. Not a smooth ocean, but a structured network. Imagine zooming past atoms, past quarks, past fields. Eventually, you might not find smaller particles. You might find the architecture of space itself. Tiny units connected in patterns. Instead of objects existing inside space, space becomes the object. Now consider what that implies. If there is a smallest length, you cannot move half of it. If there is a smallest moment, time does not flow infinitely. There is a fundamental resolution to reality, a maximum sharpness beyond which nothing exists. Infinity, at least physically, may not be real. There may be a bottom layer to existence, a final grid, and everything we experience, motion, light, gravity, even causality, could emerge from interactions between these discrete units. From our perspective, the world feels smooth, just like a movie feels continuous even though it is made of still frames. But perhaps smoothness is an illusion created by scale. Perhaps the universe updates itself at an unimaginable rate, one smallest unit of time at a time. We do not see the frames. We only see the flow. And if reality is not continuous, then what we call space and time are not fundamental. They are emergent. The true foundation of the universe may not be matter or energy or even fields. It may be structure, information, geometry at its smallest possible scale. And beneath that scale, there may be nothing to divide, no smaller piece to uncover, just the limit, the resolution of reality itself.